it is said, knowledge is power. I think this body of emulation by other departments in this church, especially the protocol department, the women leaders, marriage committee, discipline committee, and other departments in the church to emulate this trend and bring their members for training. The need for foreign nations ministers to pass more best Bible institutes and the trend cannot be overemphasized. I want to let you know that people certificate in theology is a minimum requirement for missionary visa at most embassies these days. The school management in the last few years decided to be running crash programs to assist pupil passports and foreign mission passports to upgrade the basic certificates. I want to let you know that testimonies are bound by those who have already taken advantage of these programs. Our doors are still open for admission so that we can be trained this year and other years. We are happy to announce the addition of Olumide campus in Ogun State to our Lagos State campuses. Other campuses established newly are Lekki campus, Ayobo campus, Badagry campus. Our two departments are graduating today. Outside Lagos State, the institute has a presence in places and states like Owerri, the capital of the state, Enugu in Enugu State, Aba in Abia State, Oba in some states and Anambra some states, Port Harcourt in Rivers State, Asaba in some Lagos State, Ekoma, Uyo, Calabar, Imo, Onitsha, and others. Meanwhile, Umuahia and other campuses will take up this academic session. Abuja